all this. I think Puya texted me.
Oh, little Frenchie.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Maybe let's go up there.
Up there? Man, this is awesome. I love these palm trees too. I'd be kind of scared to get attacked by a great white from surfing.
I don't think that happens here.
You don't think? Who knows? Wow, these beaches are incredible. Look at this thing. Isn't this gorgeous?
Punk is not dead.
Punk? Yep, that's right.
Can we sit on here?
I don't know, I probably wouldn't. Punk is definitely not dead. That's for sure. They're taking a picture.
The dog digging.
Just absolutely gorgeous. That's funny. You smell the seaweed?
I want to get a Is it on this edge? That's awesome.
Right.
Let's go back.
Alright guys, so first night in the little Airbnb casita. We're actually gonna go pick up the Sprinter van right now. Last night after the beach, that y'all saw like the sunset. We actually went ahead and met up with the guy and drove around the Sprinter van that we're here to buy, and gonna wire the funds over to him and road trip back to the great state of Texas. So
Entonces como que dicen que no, como que hay toda una versión respectiva de otra.
alright guys, so just finished the first night in the Airbnb, and here's Becca right here. Say hi, Becca.
Hi.
So we actually just picked up the Sprinter van, did a final clean out and walkthrough of the Airbnb itself. So here's the Sprinter van right here. Just got it. It's a 2006 T1N Sprinter, and it's been fully restored by a guy down here in La Jolla, which is like in Southern California in San Diego. We're right by the beach, beautiful, sunny, clear skies. Honestly, perfect weather. But right here, so just going over here, so it's been fully restored. The guy bought it from over here, fully repainted it, replaced some of the doors with original parts that weren't rusted. So here's kind of what it looks like, just a basic van. And it's obviously unbuilt, as you can see, but we are gonna build this thing out over time. But you can see right here, like everything's been completely done over. He did a really good job, and in person it looks like that much better. So to give you an idea of how tall it is, like in here, so I'm about like, I say I'm 5'10", but I'm probably like 5'9", but like it's probably like about 2-3 inches worth of headroom. So if any of you guys are looking for like a T1N Sprinter van, just kind of keep that in mind. I think the guy that one of his buddies has one fully built out, really cool, has like a Murphy bed and everything, but he's like probably over 6 foot and he has to go like this. So thank God we're a little bit shorter than 6 feet, but really stoked to drive this back home to Texas. So stay tuned.